Sarasota Memorial's new internal medicine practice in the Newtown community is officially ready to take patients.
Community stakeholders were on hand for the grand opening ceremony of the new Jean and Alfred Goldstein Health Center at Sarasota Memorial Internal Medicine Practice. ABC 7's Bobeth Yates joins us live from the facility on Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Way. Bobeth?
Well, it took about 2 years to transform the idea of a Newtown Medical Center into a reality. But as you can see, the facility is not only up and ready to see patients, but I'm told the services they will offer will far exceed those of a normal medical practice.
And with the cutting of the ribbon, the new Sarasota Memorial Internal Medicine Practice is officially open, a feat that some Newtown residents say is surreal.
I remember when we had to go to Sarasota Memorial Hospital in the back, and now we have it right in our community. This is awesome.
From Newtown residents to Suncoast stakeholders, the community gathered to celebrate the Jean and Alfred Goldstein Health Center at Sarasota Memorial Internal Medicine Practice. Many hope the facility will help bridge the gap between those in the community who currently do not have a primary care physician.
A lot of people are walking around with diabetes and hypertension or high cholesterol, and they don't even know it. Once you can find these things in these patients, then you can treat these patients.
And officials say communities with a demographic similar to Newtown's tend to have an increased number of residents who suffer from preventable illnesses, which is why they say the location of the medical practice was so important.
They may have access to health care, but really building that bridge and establishing that relationship and laying that foundation is really key when you're working with underserved communities.
The health center is located on MLK Way and is expected to serve more than 1,800 patients in its first year. But the services being offered at the location will go beyond the patient's medical needs.
We wanted was to go beyond just here's your prescription for your blood pressure or your insulin for your diabetes. So we've partnered with a tremendous group of individuals. So with the food banks, we can send our patients with diabetics so that they could get more access to more fruits and vegetables. We've partnered with Legal Aid of Minnesota so that they can provide free legal counseling on issues that impact health.
News that has many in the community celebrating.
I think it's a great addition to the community. It's well overdue. I think it'll be a great asset to the community, especially with the health issues that are going on today.
It's part of the Sarasota Memorial Florida State University Internal Medicine Residency Program, and all the physicians here will be rotating throughout this facility and several other SMH locations. Now, it's important to note, now if you want to be seen here at this medical center in Newtown, you will need an appointment. Back to you.